A very good afternoon, class 7th. Today we will do exercise 14.2, which is about the laws of exponents. Right? Today, what we will do? We will study about the laws of the powers. Exponent means power. There are the laws will apply when the base is same. I hope you know the base. Write this. So this 4 is exponent and this one is the base, right? So we will study the two laws when first one is multiplying the powers with the same base. Multiply, like a to the power 4 multiply by a to the power 3. So here how we will do this? When the base is same and we have to multiply the base, so we will add the powers. A to the power 7. And why this? Now see. What do you mean by this a to the power 4? Multiply a 4 times. Again, the symbol is of multiplication. And for the next term, a3. A multiply 3 times. So total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which means this one. A to the power 7. So to skip this point, this step, the direct they are telling that when the base is same, we will add the power. In multiplication, when the base is same and we have to multiply the base, so what we do? We will add the powers. Clear? Now come to when the base is same and we have to divide the powers. We will go with the same one. When the base is same, a4 divide by a3. How we will do this? At that time, when the base is same, we have to subtract the powers. क्या करना है हमें? powers को subtract करना है. 4 minus 3, 1 and a to the power is equals to a. How it comes? A multiply a multiply a multiply a. A to the power 4 means a multiply a multiply a multiply a. Divide, it means this term will be come here, a to the power 3. A multiply a multiply a. Right? Cut it. Which one left? Only a. Which is same here, a to the power 1. Clear? Now if it is in the same, a to the power m divide by a to the power n. So your answer will become as a to the power m minus n. And here one condition is m is greater than n. ये तब अप्लाई होता है बच्चे जहाँ पे m की वैल्यू जो होती है फर्स्टली होल नंबर हो एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द m इज ग्रेटर देन n. Right? After that, the next topic for this exercise is taking power of a power. Like this one, 3 the power 2, again whole the power 3. So how you will do this? How you will solve it? These two laws are clear. Next one, third one is, if we will solve this type of exponentials like this, 3 to the power 2, then again whole की power 3. For this, these powers are multiply. Is equals to 3 to the power 3 the power 6. Right? Again 2 the power 4 whole of the power 5. So we will multiply 4 with 5 and 2 the power 4 5s are 20. Clear? These are the three that are given in your book. And once again, let us take a recall of these three laws. That first law is when we have to multiply the same base. First one is a to the power m multiply with a to the power n. Then it will come as a to the power m plus n. Here no condition is there whether the value of the m is greater than n or less than n. Now the second one, a to the power m divide by a to the power n. When the base is same and we have to divide the base, so here your answer will become a to the power m minus n. And in this one condition, that is m must be, you can say should be greater than n. Now the third one and the last is a to the power m to the whole power n. It will be a to the power m multiply n. Right? And how these comes, I told you. After this, any number raised to the power of 1 is equal to the number itself. Like a to the power 1, it means a. And one more point, if any number raised to the power 0, it means that is equals to 1. अगर किसी भी नंबर की जो पावर होती है बेटा वो 0 होती है, it means that is equals to 1. Clear these 5 points which we will help in solving our exercise 14.2. So come to the first question of the exercise key 1, that is simplify the following expressions using law of exponents and write the answer as a single exponent. So for this, see, here we will use the laws of multiplying the same base, right, which is this one. So here base is same, which is equals to 5. Powers, what we have to do? Add 4 plus 2, 6. Same we will go with this. Base is same 3. Powers 6 plus 7 equals to 13. Again the base is same, minus 6. 5 plus 5, 10. Remember the point I told you in exercise 14.1, that is if any negative number and power of that negative number is even, power of that negative number is even, then the answer is also be the positive number. Negative base है आपका and जो power है exponent है that is even, right? And I hope everyone knows what is even numbers. Then the product will also be the even. Now there are 3 numbers and the same laws followed for the 3. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. Clear? Now come to K2. Simplify these expressions using law of exponents and write the answer as a single exponent or as the single power. So here base is 9. 18 minus 11, that is 7. Right? Next you will do yourself. Now the key 3. Simplify these expressions using laws of exponents and write the answer as a single exponent. That is, see, a to the power m to the whole power n. Here what we do? We will multiply the powers. Equals to 7 multiply 4, which is equals to 7 to the power 28. Alright? Same we will do in the b part. 3. So it is equals to 5 8 is 40. 3 to the power 40. Right? Like this. Now, the next question is K4, which we will do like this. Here two parts are given. In this we have to apply the two laws. First one, law of multiplication, and second one is the law of division. And how you will apply that, see. K4 is simplifying these expressions using laws of exponent and write the answer as a single exponent. 5 to the power 8 multiply 5 to the power 4. Divide 5 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power 4. Right? Now firstly see, here we have to multiply the base in this also. So when the base is same, what we will do? We will add the power 8 plus 4 divide 5 3 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Divide 3 plus 4 7. Now the base is same, so that is 12 minus 7, which is equals to 5 to the power 5. Clear? How it comes? 12 minus 7 5, so 5 to the power 5. Now come to S1. That is, if 3 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 9 is equals to 81. Right? We will solve it. So firstly, there are two ways by doing this. We will do by the two method. First one is to make all them in the series where base is 3. 3 to the power 2x plus 1 divide by 3 to the power 2. 3 3s are 9 equals to 3 the power 4. We can write 81 as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Right? Now the base are same. We will go with the powers only. So see, before that, here the base are in same, but sign is of division. So they are subtract. Remember the rule, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. It is equals to a to the power m minus n, right, which is equals to 4. Now 2x plus 1 to negative sign, it will change the side and will be in positive. So 2x plus 1 equals to 4 plus 2 6. Again 2x equals to 6 minus 1, which is equals to 5. Now x equals to 5 by 2. Clear? The value of the x is 5 by 2. Now by the second way also you can do, but this is the best way, by making the base equal. So clear, students? Now come to the second question, S2, that is, by what number should be 11 to the power 4 be multiplied to get the result of 11 to the power 4. Right? So what we do, we have to find that number. So firstly we will take that number equals to x. Let the number equal to x. Next, according to the question, what is given there, that what number should be multiplied, means we have to multiply in this. What number equals to x to get the result as equals to 11 to the power 8. Right? So according to the question, this is our equation. So here we have to find the value of x. We will take this 11 to the power 4 right hand side. So it will comes here in multiplication, then this side it goes in division. Now come to the laws of second law of exponent, that is when the base is same and we have to divide the base, so it will subtract the power 8 minus 4. So x equals to 11 to the power 4. Now you will get the number which we have to multiply with this to get the product 11 to the power 8. So you will write here number equals to 11 to the power 4. Right? So it is very easy. Right? Now come to the S3. By what number should be 13 to the power 2 be divided to get the quotient as 13? Only as 13. Right? So again we will take that number. Let the number equals to x. Now the according to question is, what number should be divided 13 to the power 2 divided by x to get the quotient as 13. Right? So here we will take this x to this side and take this 13 here. 13 to the power 2 divide by, here this is, we are interchanging the position, so it will go same as it is. Here will come 13 and here will come x. Now if no power, it means what is here? 1. What is here? 1. Base is same. Again 2 minus 1 equals to x, and that is 13 to the power 1 equals to x. So 13 equals to x. So the number is equals to 30. Get the number? What number we have to divide it by this? That is 13 to get the quotient 13. Clear? Now the next question, that is find the value of the x. Now see this question very carefully. S4, we have to find the value of this 2 the power x plus 1 multiply with 2 equals to 2 the power 12 divide by 2 the power 3. Right? So we will apply the rule both side. Here no power is given, it means 1. So when base is same, we will add the power x plus 1 equals to, here, now here the base is same but we have to divide the base. When we divide the base, we will subtract the power. So here it is equals to x plus 1 x plus 2. Again 2, 12 minus 3 equals to 9. Now the base are equal, so we will take with as it is x plus 2 equals to 9. So this is 9 minus 2 and x equals to 7. So you get the value x equals to 7. Clear students? If you have any doubt in these questions, you can comment and ask. Now the next S5. Simplify the expressions and find the value. So here the expression is 2 the power 3 multiply 3 the power 5 divide by 5 to the power 7. Again to the power whole is 6. Again we will multiply 2 the power 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 the power 3 bracket close divide by 2 the power 4 multiply 5 to the power 2 and again small bracket close and the big bracket close. Now here firstly what you will do with this power 6 we will multiply this all. 2 the power 6 3s are 18 multiply 3 the power 5 6 are 30 5 to the power 7 by 6 7 6 are 42. Clear? Multiply these are same 2 the power 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 the power 3 2 the power 4 multiply 5 the power 2. We can change this one by 2 the power 18 plus 2 बेस सेम है पावर साइड हो जाएंगी 20 मल्टीप्लाई 30 प्लस 3 3 दी पावर 33 5 बाई 2 दी पावर 4 मल्टीप्लाई 42 प्लस 2 44 राइट. नाउ इक्वल्स टू देखो यहाँ पे बेस सेम है और ये डिवीज़न में है तो पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगी सब्ट्रैक्ट 20 माइनस 4 मल्टीप्लाई 3 दी पावर 33 एज इट इज़ 1 5 इज़ हेयर सो विल टेक इट डाउन साइड 44 माइनस 1 सो complete one is 2 the power 16 multiply 3 the power 33 by 5 to the power 43. Clear this one? 2 the power 16 multiply 3 the power 33 by 5 the power 43. Clear students? This is the way to simplify the powers. Now come to the next one, that is S6. Simplify the expression that is also like this, which is equals to x6. Here minus to the power 6 multiply minus to the power 2 divide by minus 2 again big bracket close again minus 2 the power 3 multiply minus 2 divide by minus 2 the power 4. Now see, we will go with this type of A divide by B, C divide by D. Then it will change that A multiply with D and C multiply B. How it will change? Let's see that. A by B by C by D. So आप इसको कैसे करोगे? ये जो B है ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा A by B multiply with C and this d will go up, multiply with d, right? When you will change it, it will change. So what comes here, right? So we will change this one, a, b, c and d. What will come? A multiply with d. So minus 2 the power 6 multiply minus 2 the power 2. Multiplication में minus 2 the power 4. Again minus 2 the power 3 multiply minus 2. This minus 2 also come here in multiplication. Now base are same, so go with the powers. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 8 plus 4 12. Now down side base is same. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now the base is same and in the division. So what goes with the powers? Minus 2, 12 minus 5 equals to minus 2 the power 7. And that is your answer. So answer is minus 2 the power 7. Clear? This is our exercise 14.2 about the laws of exponents. Now after this, our next topic is another laws of the powers, which we will study in the next lecture. So if anyone have any problem regarding exercise 14.2, you can comment and ask.